Here in this video, I will show you how to add LiveSplit to your OBS. So first of all, come to this website livesplit.org, and all you have to need, go to download page, and here click on LiveSplit to download the LiveSplit on your computer. Now just extract the zip file. Once done, open the LiveSplit folder. In this folder, you have to double click on this livesplit.exe file to install it. Once the LiveSplit successfully installed on your PC, you get this speed timer. Now right click on that and click on edit splits, and here you can just go ahead and add your game name. You can add here run category. I'm giving 100%, and you can add here your starting time, and just go ahead and customize these settings, then click on OK. And here we can see the speedrunner add date. Now right click on that, and here you can go ahead and open settings, and you can just customize your hotkeys. Now all you have to need to add these LiveSplit to your OBS. Launch the OBS, select a scene. Under sources, click on this plus icon, select window capture, rename here LiveSplit, and click on select a window to capture, and here you have to select LiveSplit and click on OK. And as you can see, I've successfully added my LiveSplit speed timer on my OBS. Now we can just go ahead and resize it, and that's how you can actually do it.